What's up YouTube? Today we're talking about video SEO. For those of you who don't know, video SEO helps you get your video indexed and ranked on search engines for relevant keywords. Basically, video SEO helps make your video easily discoverable. Video SEO isn't just about Google though. It takes care of rankings on YouTube, Vimeo, several other video sites in one go. So, how do you make your videos more SEO friendly? That's what this video is here to answer. So, without any further ado, let's get to it. Number 1. Setting goals and finding the right keywords. Before you begin creating video content, you need to know what it is you're out to do with the video. Are you trying to increase conversion, spread awareness, generate more backlinks? Answering these questions will help you figure out what kind of content you need, who your target audience is, and the best way to get their attention. Then identify what your audience is searching for and the keywords they're using. You could use tools like YouTube Search Suggest, YouTube Analytics, and keywordtool.io for your keyword research. Our personal favorite though is Ahrefs. With a 7-day trial for $7, you could plan out 3 months worth of content in a week. Here's how we use it. First, we settle on a popular keyword in our niche using Google Suggest. Next, we enter the keyword into Ahrefs Keyword Research Explorer and set YouTube as a search source. This gives us a list of the most popular search terms around the keyword. Also, you get a vast list of additional keyword ideas. Now, filter this list by traffic and keyword difficulty to arrive at the terms you'll make your video around. Finally, you can create video content that's designed to answer these questions and use these keywords to enrich the title, description, and the transcript of the video. It's that easy. Tip number 2. Picking the right platform. Now it's time to decide where you're going to put up your video. The obvious answer is of course YouTube, but this decision is slightly more complex than that. The thing is, different platforms give you different benefits. For example, if your aim is to spread awareness and get as many likes, shares and comments as possible, platforms like YouTube and Vimeo work best. However, these platforms don't work particularly well if your objective is to get traffic to your website. Most people move on to the next suggested video instead. In these scenarios, using other hosting platforms like Wistia or Vidyard work better. The bottom line is, make sure you know what you're looking for before you pick a platform to upload onto. Tip number 3. Video length. A video's length can vary based on the topic. If your video is meant for promotional purposes, I'd suggest keeping it as short as possible. This is because of our ever decreasing attention spans. Viewers just aren't interested in long drawn out content anymore. The aim is to give them as much information in as little time as possible. The only time you should be creating longer content is for educational or informative purposes, when the aim is to get a large amount of information across. Tip number 4. Pay attention to the file name. And no, I'm not talking about the title of the video. This is a very simple step that most people forget when trying to strengthen their video SEO game. Search engines take the name of the video file into account when you upload it, so make sure the file name is keyword centric. Tip number 5. Optimizing for smartphones. There's no way you watch all of your video content off a desktop. In fact, there's a high chance you watch a majority of your videos on a smartphone. So, why should your viewers be any different? Think of all the screens you can play a video on. Optimizing your videos for different screens and devices signals to search engines that your content is more readily understandable by people who use these devices. Boom! You just got yourself a video SEO boost. Tip number 6. Metadata. A video's metadata is basically information that helps categorize the video online. Search engines use this metadata to help them index and rank the video on their systems. You could say it's almost central to video SEO. For YouTube, the video's title, description, and tags create the metadata for that video. However, if you're hosting the platform on third-party platforms, you should check if they create metadata for your video. Wistia, for example, creates video SEO metadata for every video hosted on their platform with JSON-LD. Alternatively, if you're uploading a video onto your website, it's better to create SEO metadata yourself. You could use a schema markup or create a video sitemap that you can submit to Google Webmaster Tools to help your video rank. Tip number 7. Video title and description. The title and description of your video should be the first thing you optimize before publishing. You'll need to enrich these fields with your target keywords so that search engines can rank them for relevant queries. Keep your title as eye-catching as possible. Hint at what the video is about, but don't give away too much. Remember, you're trying to urge them into clicking your video. Descriptions, on the other hand, should be treated as mini blogs. The reader should be aware of what the video contains after reading the description. But titles and descriptions aren't the only things that catches the viewer's attention. That brings us on to tip number 8, nailing the thumbnail. The thumbnail is one of the first things your viewers are going to judge your video with. Don't use dimly lit, lackluster screenshots of your video for the thumbnail. Instead, create your own custom thumbnails, relevant, high quality images. Throw in some graphics, make it pop. Your thumbnail is your first handshake with the viewer. An intriguing thumbnail is going to get your video more views, and that shows search engines that your video is interesting a lot of viewers, boosting its ranking in the process. Tip number 9, transcripts. Transcripts are a huge boon in the world of SEO. They're basically a written format of the content of your video. More importantly, they're what search engines use to read the content of your video. Make sure you create and submit a transcript of your video before uploading it. This is going to make the job of search engine a lot easier. Always remember, any video that helps search engines classify them is going to get preference in the ranking system. These transcripts will help Google bring more traffic to your video. Number 10, video SEO for your website. When you're uploading videos onto your website, remember 3 things. First, use only one video per page. Search engines usually stop crawling a page as soon as they find a video. Putting up 2 videos on the same page will split the SEO focus between the two, harming the performance of both videos in the process. Instead, upload a single video to make sure it's the focus of that page for better video SEO. And if you absolutely have to put up multiple videos on a single web page, remember to keep the video you're trying to rank for higher than the others. Second, keep your video at the top of the page. Keeping videos somewhere towards the bottom of the page hides it from viewers who won't scroll down, leading to lower play rates. Even search engines don't go out of their way looking for video content on a page to index. Boost your video SEO by keeping a close eye on its placement and ensuring it's as prominent as possible. Third, make it relevant. Okay, now this is important. Whatever video you upload to a page, make sure the video's content is relevant to the content of the page. Do not put a random video on pages that have nothing to do with them. This is only going to signal to search engines that you're trying to stuff as much information as possible onto a single page. Search engines don't like incomplete information. That's bad for video SEO. Make sure your content matches the web page. And finally, the last entry onto the list. Tip number 11, analyze and improve. Every time you upload a video, make sure you track its performance. This gives you the perfect opportunity to address areas for improvement and cultivate better relationship with your viewers. Well, there you have it. Those are the 11 video SEO practices we think are absolutely essential to a video's performance online. What do you think of our list? Is there a video SEO tip that we've left out? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Until then, J-Dog out.